know when your last period was? Do you even remember? Well, let me help a lady out. It's Anita Tadavarthi, your acupuncturist friend, and what I'm going to do is give you an acupressure tip along with a diet tip that can help regulate your cycle. What you're going to do for me is you're going to incorporate eggs into your diet, into your breakfast food. Do it every morning. Eggs have choline in them, and choline is known to help with fetal development. And also in Chinese medicine, we always think eggs for eggs. They help with the eggs that you already have, so it can help you with fertility. Not to mention that eggs have a lot of B12 and vitamin E to help you along the way. In addition to this, there's an acupressure tip that you can do for me. We're gonna do it together for the next minute. What I want you to do is cuff your elbow, and then I want you to just simply massage your elbow a couple minutes, couple times a day, but we're gonna do this for just a minute. What does this do? Well, this motion helps bring blood flow and nourishment not only to the uterus, but also the fallopian tube, so that it can help promote ovulation as well as trigger the sequence of events that can help induce the shedding of the uterine wall, which causes a period. I want you to go to our YouTube channel and pick from any one of the many acupressure points on our 30-day series. And I want you to do that point couple minutes, couple times a day until you get 3 regular cycles. And of course, check in with your physician, incorporate the foods on our 30-day journey so that I can help you be the best woman that you can be on the planet. It's Anita Tadavarthi helping you along your journey as a woman on the planet.